Good morning student and welcome to Sri Eknath Vakarse Talent School Muktai Nagar online tutorial chapter 4 how a computer works worksheet second. Huh? Here you write your name, I am writing my name. In this way you can write your name here. Now see, I am reading the first question. What do you mean by processing? What do you mean by processing? What do you mean by processing? Processing means processing is the action. Processing is the action. Processing is the action taken on the data. Taken on the data. To convert it meaning it into meaningful information. Processing is the action taken on the data to convert it into meaningful information. Understand? This is called processing. What is the next question? Explain the IPO cycle. Explain the IPO cycle. IPO means input, process and output. Input, processor and output. Computer receives input. A computer receives input. Input processes the input and produces the output. Explain the IPO cycle. A computer receives input, processes the input and produces the output. That is called IPO cycle. आया ध्यान में? Now name any two storage devices. Pen drive, CD and DVDs. Which computer part works on the input to produce the output? Which computer part works on input to produce the output? Central processing unit. Central processing unit. उसको ही हम लोग CPU कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं उसको? CPU. Write three basic functions of a computer follows. Which are the three basic concepts? First, input. Second, process. And third, output. These are the three basic functions which the computer follow. Now turn the page. Fill in the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words are given and 5 statements are here. First, in IPO cycle refers to I in IPO cycle refers to input. What do you write here? I refers to input. Dash dash is the result of processing input data. Output is the result of processing input data. Collection of facts and figures is known as data. Processing is the action taken on the data to convert it to meaningful information. Processing is the action taken on the data to convert it to meaningful information. Dash dash refers to holding of data. Storage. Storage refers to the holding of data entered into the computer. Huh? I for input, output is the result, collection of facts and figures is known as data, processing is the action taken on the data, and storage refers to the holding of data. Understand? Now, the next question is match the following inputs and their outputs. Match. See what we can do with this match. With the help of fruits, what we can do? We can make the juice. Correct? Again, these are the flour. You can make this one. Understand? In this way, you can join the or match the pair. Understand? Thank you, student. I hope you enjoy the today's session. Now we will come on the next session, next chapter. Thank you.